How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got a little box here that we're going to be opening here in just a moment, and it's going to be a little bitty unboxing. But what these are some lights that I ordered for the Camaro Super Sport, the 2019. The issue, if you've watched any of my videos, you notice that I have an issue with these backup lights. They look like this right here. It's that condensate bulb, got that yellow look to it. I don't like that. I haven't liked it since the get-go. The reason I haven't changed it is because the way Chevrolet set up the wiring harness on the back of this car, you have to have a specific wiring harness to correct the errors you get from an LED light bulb if you put it in the backup lights. Well, I just don't want to spend $100 on a wiring harness just to where I can get some lights to work. So what I did some research online, and I tried to find the best bulb that I could find without having to put in a wiring harness. So that being said, these bulbs are not the cheapest in the world, but they are still cheaper than what they would be if we were doing a wiring harness. So it'll be these right here, and what we're gonna install these tomorrow. It's late, the mail just run, so tomorrow we're gonna install these on the Camaro, and we're gonna see if we see the difference between the two. So stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. It's day 2. It's time to change out these old halogen bulbs in the back of the Camaro, because remember, on the 2019s and older, Chevrolet decided they wanted to change the wiring harness, so anytime you put an LED in there, you get all kinds of errors. They either stay on, or they don't come on, or they come on, and once you cut the car off, you can still see a flicker from the light. So that's no good. So I did some research, like I told you, and I come up with some bulbs that I think are going to solve the problem without having to use that expensive wiring harness that everybody's selling just to overcome this halogen light in the backup lights of the 2019 Camaro. So we're going to get it turned around, backed in here, so we can take advantage of some of the shade, and we're going to get started. And we're even going to get a cold start in while we're at it. For stock exhaust, that still sounds pretty good. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to get started. All right, guys, here's a quick look at what the stock halogen bulbs look like in the Camaro. As you can see, the yellow dingy look. What I'll do is I'll replace one of them, and then go back and we'll do another video part of it, and come back and look at the lights and see what they look like. All right, guys, hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. What I'm going to be using is one of these little pry tools here, and we're going to pry up these 3 grommets and get them out of the way. Sometimes they pry out pretty easy, sometimes they are a pain in the butt. So let's get started. We're just going to lay these right in here and set our tool down, and this should just pop and lift right up. Okay guys, now that I've got that cover off, you can see the bulb is right here. And luckily it's very simple. It's right here on the top. But even as simple as it is, they can be a little difficult to get out at times. So here we go. Stop bulb is out. That's real simple. And I guess you would say these are NOKYA Hyper White. Part number is 7440, 27 watt. You can see they're a whole lot more blue than what I just took out. So and we're going to put it back in. And guys, always use you some gloves when you're doing this, because you don't want to touch the gloves, the bulbs with your bare hands, because the gloves will help keep the oil of your fingers off the bulb and extend the life of the bulb itself. So, all right, we got the bulb in. That was real simple. So let's see what it looks like. Well, there is a noticeable difference between the two. I think the camera is picking it up. The difference. This is the stock, and this is the new Hyper White. Get that one more time. I can see a difference in that. Hopefully you can. And it looks pretty much LED to me. You can't really even tell the difference. So let's get started on that other side. Like I said, guys, I don't know if the camera's really showing you that much of a difference, but I'll take a picture tonight while it's dark to end up this video, and we will get a good look at it in the dark. Hopefully, those things just fly out so easy. Hopefully, the camera will be able to pick up the difference, and you'll see what I'm talking about. These lights can be rather difficult to get your hand in there to turn. It's always, one of them is easy, one of them is hard. Anyway, stop bulb is out. As you can see the difference in the color. Tough. All right, as you can see, the new bulbs on both sides. I hope you can see how much cleaner and whiter that actually looks compared to the standard bulb that was in there to start with. Again, I don't know why Chevrolet does some of the things that they do. They do LED up front. They should do LED in the back, but unfortunately I don't make the rules, so let's get her put back together. All right, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I'll put a link in the description down below for the lights if you like them, and a place where you can go and you can order them and so forth. Again, I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button, and as always, keep your family safe.